Hi, so in this video, I'm going to talk about LeetCode 160, intersection of two linked lists. So for this question, I'm given two linked lists, like list A and list B here, and you have to find the first intersection node. So in this case, it's A here. And be careful that it's not saying that you have to find the first sem values. If you're going to find the first sem values, it'll be 1, right? But then it's finding the intersection nodes, so it will be 8. So we have two approach for this question. The first one will be using set, and then the second one will be using like merging them together. So let's do the first one first. So this is our first linked list, and this is our second linked list. These are the two linked lists. So for the first approach, we're using set, right? So we're just gonna add either one of the linked lists to the set. And we're gonna look through the other linked lists, starting from the beginning and to the end. If the current node is inside the set, then we're just gonna return the current node because there will be the first intersection node here. So for example, if we have a set here, so this is our set, we're just gonna call it as, this is our set, right? And we are going to add all nodes in linked list 1. So 4, 1, 8, 4, 5. And be careful that these 2, 4, there are different nodes here. And then we're gonna look through the second linked list. Our first 5 is not inside the set. And we're gonna continue. 6 also not inside the set. And 1, it's inside the set, right? So we're just gonna return 1. So let's try to do this on LeetCode. At first, we have to create a set, and we have to create 2 pointers. So the first pointer will be pointing to the head A, so the head of list A, and then head B for head of list B. Then we're gonna look through one of the P or Q, and we're gonna add all of the nodes to the set. After you add it, you have to move the pointer. And then after we are done with this, we're gonna check the other linked list. So if Q, the current node is inside the set, we're gonna return Q. If not, we're just gonna continue. And at the end, if you're done with these loops and there's no returning Q, we're just gonna return null. It means that there is no intersection here. And now it's all accepted. Then for the second approach, you'll be using the merging, right? So for example, we have these two linked lists here, right? So if these two linked lists here, and what we're gonna do, we're just gonna have the first, for example, head A and head B. So this is the first linked list, right? So we're gonna add the remaining linked list B. So it becomes something like this. And then for this one, we're gonna add the linked list 1 to this. So when you're comparing this, you will realize that 1 will be the first intersection nodes, because the nodes after they are all the same, right? You have 2 pointers here, and you're gonna look through 2 linked lists. So at first, the 2 pointers will be pointing to here, right? I'm just gonna use this, okay? So the first one is pointing 4 and 5, not the same. 1, 6, not. These are not the same nodes, just like the same values. No, and here they're the same nodes. And this is how we find the first intersection node by merging these two linked lists. At first, we have to create 2 nodes to look through the linked list, right? And then, well, not A does not equal to not B. So this means that when they are not equal, we will continue looping, right? So even though maybe there is like no intersection, so imagine this the remaining 4 here, they are all not the same nodes. And when since they have the same size, right? So 2 pointers will eventually end here, which they pointing at none. And since they're both pointing at none, they're the same, and they're just gonna return either one of the nodes. If they are pointing to the same nodes, since they're equal, right? So this loop will also break, and they return either one of the node. So in this case, both of them work. And the way we combine two linked lists together is by something like this. So I'm gonna explain this. So if currently node is not pointing to none, it means that there is some still the next node here, right? So we can just do not add the next. But what if it has reached the end of the linked list? So you're just gonna start here, right? Start at head B and can continue looping through the other linked list. And for the other linked list, it's also the same. For this one, if it's reached the end here, we're just gonna start here. And this is how we combine together. So this is the end here, right? And we're gonna start here. And for this one, this is the end here. And you guys start at the first element of the first linked list. So when you run this, it will be all accepted. And that's it for this video. Thank you.